Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for August 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, this is the best time na makapagpa-private reading kayo kasi half lang yung babayaran ninyo, 'di ba? Ayan. And paalala lang na ang reading na to ay isang general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate or maaring hindi. So, just take what resonates. Let's see Cancer. August 16 to 31, what's the energy? You have the 9th house, Virgo, and Moon. Moon and Virgo. Uy, meron kayong mga i-organize, no? Maaring you are going to plan for travel ngayong second half ng August, or yung mga itinerary mo, no? Paplanuhin mo na ng maigi kasi ayaw mo na magulo yung schedule mo. You also have Othila. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang ayusin na related sa family ninyo. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa lupa, sa properties, or inheritance, no? Mana. You also have Perthro. Perthro is about knowledge. So, maaring meron kayong pag-aaralan or meron kayong idadagdag na kaalaman or skill set, no? Kumbaga, halimbawa, alam nyo na tong bagay na to, tapos gusto nyo pang madagdagan yon, gusto nyo pang ma-improve yung knowledge nyo doon. Kumbaga, parang you want to master something, okay? You want to master your craft, you want to master your knowledge para magkaroon ka ng expertise. Ayan. You also have Wunyo. This is joy, happiness. So, syempre, hindi lang puro aral ang gagawin ninyo, Cancer. You will also enjoy, have fun. So, maaaring may mga vacation sa inyo, no? Kayo ay pupunta sa isang place na kung saan makakapag-relax kayo, makakapag-bonding kayo with family or with your friends. And at the same time, makakapag-relax ka rin. Oo, lalo na kung ikaw ay naging very busy ng mga nakaraan. Let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng maaring meron kayong kailangan kausapin sa ibang lugar or importanteng meet up related sa family or properties ng family ninyo. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong kausap ngayon, like a foreigner, na it's either ikaw yung pupunta sa lugar nila, sa country nila, or itong person na to, yung foreigner na to, yung pupunta sa bansa kung nasaan ka. Kung Pilipinas yan, pupunta siya rito sa Pinas. Okay, let's see what is your overall energy. Wow, 9 of Pentacles. Ang ganda ng energy ninyo. You are vibrant. Oo. Ang ganda ng aura nyo ngayon. Maaring nandun ka na sa point na kaya mo nang alagaan yung sarili mo, na ibibigay mo na yung needs mo para sa sarili mo. This is about independence eh. So, mas nagiging independent ka na, you know your worth at napapangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo ngayon. Unlike before na ikaw yung nag-aalaga lagi sa iba. Your challenge is the 6 of Wands. So, as a challenge, maaring meron kang mga goals ngayon na medyo nahihirapan kang i-achieve, lalo na kung may mga nangingialam doon sa mga plano mo. Oo. O, syempre, kung wala namang karapatan na mangialam itong mga taong to, edi wag mong hayaan na ma-impluwensyahan ka nila, no? Oo. Kasi at the end of the day, this is your life. Ikaw yung magde-decide para sa mga goals na gusto mong ma-achieve. 'Di ba? And also, I'm seeing competition eh. Maaring meron taong nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo kahit wala ka naman balak makipagkompetensya sa kanya. So, focus on your goal kasi ma-achieve mo rin naman yan. And then, your opportunity, wow, the Sun. This is clarity, happiness. This is about leadership and shining brightly. So, maaring ngayon, yung focus, yung attention nasa inyo. Oo. Kaya, marami kayong na-attract na opportunities. connections, friendship. Yung iba naman, maaring romantic connection if you are ready to start a connection or romantic connection with someone kung ikaw ay single. And then your blessing is the Page of Pentacles. Meron kang blessing related sa pera. Maaring meron kang matatanggap na unexpected na pera, o kaya naman meron kang sisimulan na negosyo na kung saan magiging madali or mabilis yung pag-unlad niya. Yung iba naman sa inyo, itong pag-aaralan ninyo, itong inaaral ninyo, itong nire-research ninyo will bring a lot of success sa inyo in the future. Kaya kung ano man to, pagbutihin nyo itong pinag-aaralan ninyo, nire-research ninyo, pinagkakaabalahan nyo, kasi it is all going to be worth it. Okay? Magiging worth it yan for you. And then, your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Cancer. Ooh, Six of Pentacles. This is giving and taking. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangan tulungan financially, or if you need help, someone will help you. But I think yung iba sa inyo, this is you helping others. Meron kayong, kumbaga, extend nyo yung inyong assistance financially, pwedeng sa family or sa friend na nangangailangan. And this is also balance in your finances. So, mas magiging maayos yung flow ng income mo, yung needs mo, yung kinikita mo, and also yung expenses mo. So, magiging maayos ang sitwasyon mo financially. Mga kailangan mong bayaran, mababayaran mo. And then, your love life. Love life is the Three of Pentacles. This is working towards a certain goal. Kung meron ka ng relationship ngayon, I think nandun kayo sa point na mas ini-improve nyo yung relationship ninyo, nagtutulungan kayo, you are now building your future. Although yung iba sa inyo nasa earlier stage of the relationship pa lang, pero seryoso kayo dito sa connection na to, and you are both nag-agree kayo sa mga plano ng bawat isa, and you are both supportive sa inyong relationship. If you are single, pwedeng merong person na makikilala ka sa trabaho. Oo, or makikilala mo pag nagta-travel ka. It's a potential romantic partner. Let's see. You are still holding back. Parang may nagli-limit sa'yo ngayon. Meron kang gustong, it's like meron kang gustong iwanan or alisan na sitwasyon. You want to break free. This can be a relationship or connection with someone who is a fire sign. Pwede itong romantic, pwedeng sa friendship or any connection. And also yung iba, pwedeng hindi ito romantic, no? Pwedeng ito ay yung passion mo na gusto mong gawin, na may pumipigil sa'yo, something is holding you back. But don't worry, kasi magagawa mo yan, no? Wish granted. No? You will be able to break free from your limitations. Oo. At kung iniisip mo na, hindi mo magagawa yan, magagawa mo. Kailangan mo lang maglakas ng loob. Yes. You are manifesting prosperity. Meron kang wish na matutupad related sa iyong career or finances. Meron ding abundance. Wow. South Node, this is the past. So, I think ito yung sinasabi kong limitation mo. No? Maaring meron pang energy from the past na nag-hold back sa'yo in embracing your future. 10th house, your career. So, this is also your focus, yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. This is also your reputation. So, maaring ngayon, binibuild mo yung reputation mo, kung paano ka mas makikilala ng iba, no? Hindi naman kailangan super sikat na makilala ka ng buong mundo. It's about your community, no? You also have retrograde. So, meron ka mga kailangang i-review, i-reassess sa situation mo. Especially sa iyong plano pagdating sa career or trabaho mo. Kasi yung iba, pwedeng, ito yung yung nag-hold back sa'yo na ayaw mong umalis sa sitwasyon na yan sa trabaho or career mo or sa business because nisip mo na ayaw mo na mag-take ng risk. Pero may opportunity for you to take some risk and try new things. But, at the same time, kailangan rin maging maingat ka sa decision mo. Pag-isipan mo maigi. Ayan, needs. Do you need more time to yourself, a break from thinking too much, a kind encounter with a friend, your needs matter and it's time to honor them. So, yeah, yung iyong needs, i-honor mo. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo, kung kailangan nyo ng vacation, ng relaxation, gagawin mo yan para sa sarili mo because you deserve it. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.